Hey guys, Bing here. Previously we modeled this parametric truss family can be placed using 1 or 2 points. So 1 point here, 1 point here, and then with the height and all these settings. Today we're going to model something different. So this will be also a truss family, but this one can be placed onto a massing. Okay, so let's start. So first, let me close this. So first, create a generic model adaptive. Place 6 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So select these 6 points. No, thank you. Sorry. Move these 2 points up a little bit, so you will understand what we are. Sorry. So I'll roughly move the points so you can understand what we are modeling. So it's a truss family. So yep, okay. So now select these 3 and create a reference line, and select these 3 reference line, and select these 2 spline reference line, select these 2 spline and a reference line, select these 2 spline and reference line. Okay, so now we need another 3 points from the middle of this line down there. 1, 2, and 3. So place the point on use draw on face. So in the middle, and the middle, and then set work plane on these points and place on it again. It will be a warning which tells you you are correct. Okay. Set, tab, click, and place. Set, tab, click, and place. So now select the point, drag it down, drag it down, drag it down. So select these 3 points. Create a offset parameter. So let's call it offset. Okay, so what's next? So now select these 2 points, spline, reference line, these 2 points, spline, reference line. Select these 2 points, spline, reference line, and spline, reference line, spline, reference line, and spline, reference line. So also these 1, 2, 3 points, spline, reference line. So now we have the main structure of this truss. Now we need to define the web. Okay, so select these 3 reference lines and click on the divide path, and then we have all the nodes. So we can change these nodes to maybe 15 something, and then we can create a number parameter. Type, for instance, let's just use type for now. And okay, so now I'm going to create another adaptive family. So it will be something like this. So start from this point, go up and go down, go up and go down. So from this point, go up and go down, go up, go down. So new family, generic model adaptive, open. So place point 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll just roughly move these 2 points up. So yep, and then create a spline. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now we need a profile. So you can just place a point and draw a profile. But here I'm going to create another adaptive family. So adaptive family, I'll just place 1 point, change it to adaptive, and circle, set work plane, set on this work plane, pick, and then draw it here. So this one you don't need to change it to reference line, just leave it as it is, and use a dimension. I'll use diameter, and select the dimension and create a, let's call it D. Okay. So I'll just change this to maybe 200. Okay, so this one's finished. Let's remember this name, 26 profile. So now we need to load this profile into 25. Okay, so load 25. Okay, and now you can just place this on this reference line. Okay, so place that here, and then you can select these two and create form. So this will be the web, and change to WF wireframe, WF, and then move your cursor around here, so you will be able to pick the point, and then you will see this normalized curve parameter. To change it to 1, you'll go to this end. Do the same to this one. Change to 0. Okay, change it to hidden line, HL. Now we can do the rest of the three. So create component 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Select these two, create form. Select these two, create form. Select these two, create form, and change to wireframe. It's easier to select. So click here. 0.2. I'm just guessing. So 0.2. Let's say 0. Yes. So these 2 points will be 1. So sometimes you need to tab to, so you can select the points, and same. This one, click that. It's close to 1. Just type in 1. This one close to 0. Oops. Let's do it again. Tab, click 1. Tab, click 0. Yep. Hidden line. So this is it. So this will be the, okay. I forgot to change the points to adaptive. So let me see if I can do it like this, and filter out generic model. So we only have reference points, 4 of them. Okay, and then make adaptive. And also you need to remember, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. When we place this family, you need to follow these numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And now load this family into the other one, and then so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now you will not able to use repeat with only one. I'll show you. If you click on repeat, so it will come like this. So let's go back, Control Z, place another one. So create component 1, 2, 3, 4. So now select both of them and repeat. So now it's finished. Okay, so this part is finished, but I'll show you that's not perfect. If I select these three, what's that called? Path, divide path. If I select these three, and if I change, actually I have a parameter there, so just if I go to family types, if I change this number to 16, what happen? So we will have that gap. If I change it to 17, we'll have both, and if we change to 18, we will have the gap here. So only if I change to 19, so it will fit perfectly. So it looks like what if only works on 15, 19, 20, 23, yeah, like this. So I'll create a formula for that, but yeah, I'll do it later. Okay, so today now what do we need? Okay, so we need this frame, so 1, 2, 3. So for this one, because previously we have we modeled a profile in there, and because it's a shared family, we can find it here. I think it's 26. Yes, it's here. So if I drag this out, not this one, drag this out, so see, you will be able to place it here. So let me just place one here and place another one here. So if you click on this, and if you change this, it will also, I think it will also change that. Let me try 150. Yes. So let's just go back, Control Z, and we just need to edit type. I'll just create a new type. So let's say call it, what do I call, D2? Okay, D2, and then change that to maybe 300, maybe 200, 250. Okay, so this will be D2, and this one will be family 26. I'll just rename it D1. So all the web will be D1, and all the main one will be D2. So let me select that, change that to D2, and you can select this one, as well as the so you need to tab, so you can select the reference line, and then select it, and then create form. So now let me change it to wireframe WF. Click on here. This is close to 0, just typing 0, and this one typing 1. So hidden line. So this will be from here to the other end. So let's repeat for the other two. So just create component 1, 2, 1, 2. Select 1, 2, tab, select, create form. 1, 2, tab, select, create form, and then double frame or wireframe. Click here and click here. Change it to 0. Click here and click here. Change to 1. And hidden line. Good. So now we need this. It's the same. We need to drag D1. So here, 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 here. So yeah, and actually you can do it like this. Create form, so you can only use one profile and with the 3 reference line to create form. But this will create so a little bit sharp like this. So when yeah, it will poke out from here. So I prefer just use this. So create form. So this way it will just stop there. Okay, create forms. Create form. Wireframe. So it's easier to select the point. 1 point, 2 point. Oops. I'll just do it. 1 point. It's a bit hard when you can also do this. IC. So select the profile together with this. So an IC. So isolate category. So then it's easier to select. So you want to select the reference lines. So click on that. This one. Oh, hang on. 1, 0, 0, 1, and 1. Oh, 0. Okay, so the HR. Now go this side. Sorry. Let's do it again. D1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, create form. 1, 2, create form. 1, 2, create form. And just select the D1 IC, and then double wireframe. Click 1, 1, and 0, 1, and 0, 1, and 0. Okay, hidden line, HR. So now the I think it's about, yeah, I think it's about it. And then we can test it in the, okay, let's create a family and concept mass. Let's try it in a mass. Okay, so create a mass. Just do a very simple one. Split 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And select them. Oops. Hang on. I'll just hide them. No, you can't hide. Maybe HH. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Reference line. Rough. Yeah, just slightly change them. So okay. Maybe this one go up as well. maybe it's going to go over there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, create form. So this will be a little roof we're going to create the truss for. So okay, like this, and then select the face and define surface. So we need to adjust the grade. So let me try 3. No, not this direction. So let's change to 10. This direction 2. Yep. So because we only need 1, 2, 3. So we only need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points to have the truss. So instead of 10, we are going to have a little bit more than that. So 30. We'll have 1 truss there and have space there. Maybe 24. No, yeah. Okay, so like this, and then load. Before I load, I'll click on this end surface and click on this little arrow and check the nodes and OK. Now go back to the truss family, load into project or helm. Before that, so do we have this? Yeah, we have the offset, so it's okay. Load this into the concept mass and then place points. So 1, 2, and then move 1. Oh, sorry, 3. Yeah, it's a little bit slow. 4, and here, and 5, and 6. Okay, so let's have a look. Looks like we use D1 for these, but other than that, I think it's okay. And yeah, maybe we need to adjust the offset so it looks more balanced. Yeah. Let's edit family. Go. Let's see. Need to change the here the profile from D1 to D2. Same. This one. It's a little bit hard to. So just wireframe, and you will be able to pick. Not this one. Pick this one. Change from D1 to D2. I'll do the same on the other end. Oops. Yeah. Yep. So it will be this one from D1 to D2, and this one from D1 to D2. Hidden line and load back into the mass. So, yep. Now it's better. So let's have a look at the type. So previously we tested the numbers. So let me try 23. It should be okay. Maybe more. 23 plus 4, 27. Oh, it's not changing. Interesting. Edit family. Let's have a look why this is happening. So edit 23, 27. Yeah, looks okay. Let's low back to the the math. Um, 15. Oh, sorry, guys. That's default. Oh, okay, it's here. Sorry. Yeah, it's a bit late. 11 o'clock. Anyway, 23. Yeah, works perfect. So, yep, 23 plus 4, 27. Okay, good. So, click on OK. Now, what we need to do, just like the web when we place, if I select this one and click on repeat, we will have all the frame on each like gap of these on between all these grids. But instead of that, I don't want that. I want the truss place like with a gap in between. So just place another one. Create component. Let me say I'll just play here. So 1, 2, and then go up 3, 4. Alright, what's going on? Okay, and 5 and 6. Okay, now select these two and repeat. Yep. So actually, I'm going to change this from fixed number to maybe fixed distance. And so if I move this, if I drag this here, so it will keep the distance of these grids. So for example, if I move this to here, yep. So yep. So you will see the mass shape changed, but all the truss will match the massing. So yeah, that's it for today. I think That's it for today. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, and I'll see you next time.